Hi, I'm Jessica with Electra, and today we're going to finger paint, meaning we're going to do this makeup look without using any brushes, just our fingers. So the first thing you want to do is prime your skin, and the key to this whole look is really warming up the products and massaging them into your skin. Next, I'm going to apply a little lip balm and prep my eyelids with a bit of concealer. I'm not really going into what products I'm using, just use what you have. Next, we're going to go in with our foundation, base, CC cream, whatever you want to call it. But even though I've sped this clip up, I didn't edit any of it. I want you to see how long I actually take to press and massage and blend the product into my skin. People often ask why my skin looks so great. This is why. You got to take the time to do it. Next, I'm going to cover up any little pimples or redness with some concealer. And then my favorite trick when not using brushes is to take a tissue, pull off any extra moisture with a tissue, and then set using setting spray. Next, I'm using this gorgeous brand new Glossier Lidstar eyeshadow, liquid eyeshadow I guess is what it's called, but this is the color Fawn, and I'm just pressing it into my lids with my fingers, and this stuff lasted all day, y'all. It is amazing. Next, I'm taking a little bit of Charlotte Tilbury Eyes to Mesmerize, and I'm just going in the inner corners and the brow bones to kind of blend that look together. Next, I'm going to take a little black eyeliner because I know my makeup products, and I'm just going to blend this in using my pinky. Really kind of soft and smoky, nothing too harsh, and just make sure you really press the product into the lash line. Next, good old mascara, and make sure you give those lashes a good curl. I guess that's the only tool we're using here other than our fingers. And next, we're going to add the bronzer slash depth slash slight contour to the skin. And I'm just, again, taking my fingers and gently massaging the product into my skin until it's all nice and blended. Make sure you have some makeup wipes on hand because things can get a little messy. You don't want to over blend. I'm using my lipstick as a cream blush. And then I'm going to go in with a corrector. Now you have to check out this side versus the other side. That's how much difference a corrector makes. Just a thin little layer underneath your concealer will really brighten up your under eye area. Now because this is such a sheer look, I'm taking my concealer pretty far down my cheeks, around my mouth, around my nose, down the center of my nose, and in the center of my forehead. And I'm also not cutting this clip because this is something you have to really, really press into your skin. Next, we're going to go in with a little bit of brow gel. This has a tint to it. It's a dark brown tint. And then we're going to go in with my favorite tip ever. I take a very, very thin concealer and I just sort of brighten up the face on the high points. Now we're doing lips. I'm using a nice nude lip pencil, and then that same lipstick that we used on our cheeks, we're going to use on our lips. And I make sure to just press it into my lips. It makes it look really natural. You can go back over with your finger if you want, and it just makes them look nice and juicy and delicious. We're going to finish up with a little bit of gloss, another bit of setting spray. We're going to re-highlight with that primer we used earlier, pardon me, in the high points, and then we're going to use some setting spray to set the whole look. And there it is. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please feel free to like it and subscribe, and definitely tell your friends. I'll see you again soon.